What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable webcam permissions in Chrome for OmeTV. So if you're currently having issues with OmeTV and you need to enable, let's say, your camera, you need to follow the steps to enable a webcam because you'll need that to work with OmeTV. So go ahead and go to the OmeTV like this, and on the upper left, you'll find the side settings, and here you'll find camera. And this is how you can enable or disable the camera or the webcam. So you want to ensure that you turn on camera right here, and that's going to enable the permissions in Chrome for you. Now, next thing is you can do it the other way by clicking the three dots on the upper right and go down to settings. And from here, you will now need to go to privacy and security. Then you want to go to site settings at the bottom there and scroll down on the permissions and find camera. Here you can click on it, and if it's like this, let's say disable or don't allow site to use this camera, you want to turn it on by clicking on this. Site can allow to use camera, and then again try, and that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.